Turnouts are the most vulnerable elements in the railway network. They require a great deal of maintenance in order to provide the required level of track availability for railway operations. Maintenance of turnouts in the Netherlands is to a large extent performed in a reactive way, that is, when visible rail damage has been detected. Due to the demand of high availability of railway track, the maintenance actions on the turnouts are usually performed during the night. In this video, we will follow the maintenance activities performed by Asset Rail, one of the main railway contractors in the Netherlands. This night, turnout on a high-speed line is to be maintained. On a rail in the closure panel of the turnout, a squat defect has been detected. It is now too late to repair the rail, since the defect is already too big. Therefore, the rail has to be replaced. The night work requires various safety preparations and therefore very expensive. The moving part of switching machines are carefully inspected while the rail replacement has been prepared. Rail replacement commences with cutting and removing the defect rail. When the rail is removed, a new piece of rail is placed instead and has to be connected to the existing rails. The new rail is connected using the thermite welding process. First, the rail ends are positioned next to each other, leaving a small gap of approximately 2 cm between them. At the same time, the inspection of the switching machines continues. The work on the rail replacement is going on, and everything is ready for welding. A ceramic mold is assembled and installed around the gap between the rails that has to be connected. In order to achieve a high-quality weld, both ends of the rail must be sufficiently warmed up. When the required temperature of the rails has been reached, the crucible is placed above the mold and ignited. As a result of the chemical reaction, the liquid steel flows into the mold, filling up the gap between the rails. The excessive metal around the welded rails is removed and the weld is cooling down. After that, the original shape of the rail head will be restored using grinding. The possession time during the night is very limited. All the planned maintenance activities must be finished within 3 to 4 hours, so that the first morning train can depart on time.